Hello there, welcome to another super easy tutorial. I'm Dave and today I'm going to show you how to install and how to use Zoom on Windows 10. Zoom is a super cool app that you can use to communicate with other people. Right now it's very popular and after this tutorial you will be using it like a champ, so stay with me. Okay, the first thing we have to do is to download and install Zoom on our computer. To do that, go ahead and open your favorite web browser. In this case, I'm going to open Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Zoom download. You have to click that first option right there and select this package. Click the download button here. There we have it, our package to install Zoom. Double click the installer and it should be done in a couple of seconds. Super fast. There we have the first window of Zoom. We can proceed to close our browser and we basically have two options here. The first one will allow you to join a meeting without using your credentials. It is a fast way to connect to a meeting. The second one, you can sign in with your credentials. That will allow you to use a lot of the Zoom tools. We are going to try both options. Let's try the first option, join a meeting. In there you will see two options. The first one, you have to enter the meeting ID or the personal link name. That will be sent to you by the person that sent you the invitation to the meeting. And the second field, you can put your name. After that, you have some options if you want to connect with audio and if you want to connect with video. If you don't want to connect with audio, you can check that. And if you don't want to connect with video, you have to check this option too. And then just click join there. As you can see, we don't have too many options here, but it can be useful if you have to join the meeting in a hurry. Okay, we can go ahead and click cancelled and test the second option. Click sign in. In here, you will see a lot of options. The first one is to sign in with SSO. That is if you have an account with your company, you can put the company domain. Then you can sign in with Google or sign in with your Facebook account. The fourth option is to create a new account with this option right there. Click there, a new page will open up. In there, complete your date of birth, month, day, and year. Click continue. And you have to put an email address that you want that account to be created. So let's put an email. Okay, and after that you just have to click sign up. Once you do that, Zoom will send you an email to confirm your new account. Now go to your email and activate the account. Once you do that, it will ask you to complete some information as your name, last name, and password that you want for your account. Once that is completed, your account will be created. Now we can go back to our Zoom main screen and close this one. Okay, now we can try to sign in with our credentials. Go ahead and complete your credentials. Put your email and password. Once you do that, make sure that this option is checked. In case you are using Zoom very often, it's super helpful. Then you just want to click sign in. Alright, we made it. Now we can see all the Zoom options we have for our account. In this home menu, you have a lot of options. You can join a meeting, just like I showed you previously in my video. You can schedule a meeting. You can select the date, the hour. You will have your personal meeting ID that you can share, your password, and also you can link it to the Outlook calendar, Google Calendar, and others. Pretty cool. You can also share your screen. That will only work if you are already in a meeting. And finally, we can join a new meeting. Click that option, a new meeting will open. In this case, you won't be able to see my video because I'm recording this video, but in a normal situation, you can use your video and join with audio. Below here, you have all the meeting options, the chat, share screen, even record your meeting, and pretty important, up there, you have the meeting information, and you have a link that you can send to the participants. Pretty cool. Now we can go back to the home menu, just end that meeting. And what else do we have? We have some other options up here. The chat option is pretty cool. It will allow you to talk to other contacts that you have in Zoom. You also have the meetings option. This will show you your personal meeting ID, and you also have the option to copy an invitation and send to the participants. You can start a meeting from here too, and you can check all the recordings that you have. The last option we have is contacts. In there you will be able to see all the contacts you save in Zoom. That's pretty cool. And you are all set now. You can now start using Zoom like a champ. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please click the like button right there and subscribe to my channel. Namaste and see you in the next tutorial.